Welcome to Infant India's education world.
Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn subject English. The topic is We Love Vegetables. Look, listen and learn. Cabbage. C-A-B-B-A-G-E. Cabbage. C-A-B-B-A-G-E. Cabbage. Cabbage means patta gobi. Cauliflower. C-A-U-L-I-F-L-O-W-E-R. Cauliflower. C-A-U-L-I-F-L-O-W-E-R. Cauliflower means phool gobi. Carrot. C-A-R-R-O-T. Carrot. Carrot means gajar. Tomato. T-O-M-A-T-O. Tomato. T-O-M-A-T-O. Tomato. Tomato means tomato. Potato. P-O-T-A-T-O. Potato. Onion. O-N-I-O-N. Onion. O-N-I-O-N. Onion यानी के प्याज. Peas. P-E-A-S. Peas. P-E-A-S. Peas. B-E-A-N-S. Beans. B-E-A-N-S. Beans. Cucumber. C-U-C-U-M-B-E-R. Cucumber. C-U-C-U-M-B-E-R. Cucumber. Cucumber means kakdi. Chilies. C-H-I-L-L-I-E-S. Chilies. C-H-I-L-L-I-E-S. Chilies. Chilies means mirchi. Garlic. G-A-R-L-I-C. Garlic. G-A-R-L-I-C. Garlic. Garlic means lasun. Ginger. G-I-N-G-E-R. Ginger. G-I-N-G-E-R. Ginger. Ginger means adrak. Radish. R-A-D-I-S-H. Radish. Radish means mooli. B-R-I-N-J-A-L. Brinjal. B-R-I-N-J-A-L. Brinjal. P-U-M-P-K-I-N. Pumpkin. P-U-M-P-K-I-N. Pumpkin.
Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.